Good morning, students. Today we are going to do a short discussion over our pre-annual unit test portion. We have done lots and lots of revisions. You all know, and you all have done very nicely. You have submitted your response sheets also. So you all have done very good revision works. You have attended your live class also. Very good. So now let us discuss today our pre-annual portion. Just a reminder that we all are doing which already completed. So we have done the Indus Valley Civilization. Video is already done. You have seen the video also, the lesson. You have read the lesson. Repeated lesson it is. So you are having the materials also. So Indus Valley Civilization, you are studying the origin part. From the discovery of the ancient ruins of Harappa by Dayaram Sahni in 1921 and of Mohenjo-daro by Rakhal Das Banerjee in 1922, both officers of Archaeological Survey of India exploded an age-old myth. What myth was it? Discovered the Indus Valley Civilization. So this civilization, which belonged to Bronze Age, and no traces of iron have been found. So it is estimated that the Indus Valley civilization flourished between 2500 BC to and 1500 BC. There are certain seals which were found which proved that they had trading link with different regions. Location gives you a proper location where this civilization is was established. Then you are studying about the various sites where the proofs of the civilization have been found. Then you are studying little bit town planning. After that, architecture you are not studying, architecture part. Till the drainage system you are not studying. Then comes the society part. Society you are studying with social structure, food, dress and ornaments, then recreation, amusements. Then you are studying occupation, agriculture, domestication of animals, art and craft. These all are explained. I know you all know it very well. These all are explained in your video classes, though I am repeating just the topics for revision so that it comes in your mind that these are the topics, fresh topics. So agriculture, domestication of animals, the certain animals are domesticated. Art and craft, various art and crafts where they were engaged in, like potters, terracotta works, figurino, mother goddess. Okay. Next page we come to seals. What is there? Seals is there. Seals and trade. Trade and seals is there. So trade, what is there? In trade they had different regions of trading they used to do. The Indus Valley people carried on flourishing trade within and outside India. They traded with countries like Mesopotamia, Persia, Afghanistan. Discovery of Harappan seals have been found in Mesopotamia and the Indus Valley cities proved that the two civilizations had trade relations also. A variety of weights and measures have been found which were used, and trade was probably carried out through barter system also. Now seals, more than 2000 seals have been unearthed from various sites. Okay, they are generally small, flat, rectangular or square in shape. Okay, now and are made of clay, soapstone and copper. They are skillfully carved with figures of humans and animals such as unicorn, humped bull, the goat, the tiger, and elephant. So these seals are probably used by the merchants and traders to stamp goods. Seals were a valuable source of information to get the information and culture about the people during the civilization. The script engraved on the Indus Valley seals continues to puzzle the scholars, including even today. Many information facts about Harappan life and culture will come to light when these scripts are deciphered. Okay. Till this much we have discussed also. Now religion part is also discussed. Religion part also you have to study. So different religious facts are given there, like no temples have been found, numerous smoke stained clay figure of a female deity have been found. This was probably the mother goddess. A three-faced figure seated in yogic posture have been surrounded by various animals engraved in some of the seals. Trees was probably regarded as sacred and worshipped. The discovery of a large number of amulets suggests that the people probably wore them a lucky charm to ward off evil spirits, like the Egyptians. The Harappans also believed in life after death. So they buried their dead together with the food items, or whatever favorite thing. These all you all have done, I know. But then also repeated discussion I did, small discussion, decline of destruction of Indus Valley civilization. Now, back exercise, short questions like choose the correct option, true, false. You study fill in the blanks also, because fill in the blanks can be converted in any form. Choose the correct option also, true, false also. Your pattern for this exam is your choose the correct clicking answer, choose the correct option, true, false. You can click the answers. Okay. Acha. This is there done. Revision works are done today. Google form, one revision work is given. Picture study questions also study. Book related from the lesson only picture will come. Next, Mauryan Empire study. The Mauryan Empire is the recent one we had already done in the video. The Mauryan Empire. Mauryan Empire, you have to study this full lesson, the Mauryan Empire. Read the lesson properly. Okay. Read it properly. Questions can be from inside also. So read the lesson. Okay. For short questions, choose the correct option, true, false. You can get questions from inside also, as you are seeing the examples of your revision work also. So you are well habituated with the pattern of the questions. I think so, isn't it? If you are regular, you are very much habituated with the pattern. Then urban, local, self-government, page 110 and page 111. Within these two pages, you will get your short questions like choose the correct option and true, false. Bas. This is the important discussion of today in the video class which we are doing. Video class already we have done previously. Chapter explanation of each chapters are done. Repeated videos have been given to you to just see it, check it out. Today I have done a discussion video class with you all, with the upcoming fresh the chapters which are there, which we had already done. Just a fresh discussion over it. Like final students, those who are not attending the live class, so please see this video class. You will understand many things from this. So Indus Valley civilization lesson is there, Mauryan Empire, and your urban local self-government, page 110 and page 111. Okay, within these part you are going to get your questions, whether it can be from inside the lesson also, or whether it can be from your exercise. The pattern of the questions for this pre-annual you are going to get is your choosing the answers, like choosing the options, or true false, which you will choose. Okay, true false you will choose, and choose the correct options, you will choose any answer. Options will be given. You are getting the examples also, as I am giving you in revision work. Recent revision works you are getting. Read it and understand the lesson line by line. Don't leave any part of these lessons of pre-annual. Read everything. Question can be converted to choose the correct option. Na? Any question can be converted. Fill in the blanks question also I can convert into choose the correct option. So don't leave any question. Read the lesson. My motto is to tell is read the lesson. Question can be from anywhere. Okay. So thank you students. Do attend today's Google form. So you will feel very nice by attending it, because questions are very easy. I know you all have done 100 times these revisions, but then also you all attend it, you all try it, and you see clicking answers are there. You will click it there. Only clicking part is there. So you will enjoy in attending it. It will take a certain few minutes only for you all. As you all are expert in everything now, you all have done very nicely all the exams. So this exams also you will do very well. Best of luck to my students of class 6 with history and civics subject. Thank you.